Are you playing Roblox, but your character feels delayed, actions register late, or you keep losing fights because of high ping? In this video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to lower your ping on Roblox in just a few clicks. First, a quick clarification. Ping isn't about how powerful your internet is. It's the time data needs to travel between your computer and the game service. Even with a good connection, that route isn't always the most efficient, and that's exactly what we're going to improve. To fix this, we'll use a tool designed to optimize the connection path between your PC and Roblox automatically. The tool is called Gearup, and its main purpose is to stabilize your connection and lower latency by routing your traffic through faster network paths to the game service. It's especially useful if your ping is usually above 40 milliseconds, since that's when delays start becoming noticeable. Let me show you exactly how to set it up. Start by downloading Gearup using the link in the description. After launching it, create an account using Gmail, Discord, or Facebook. During checkout, don't forget to enter the promo code ALUCER to get the best discount available. Both the link and the code are in the description. Once logged in, you'll arrive on the main dashboard showing all supported games. Now, let's connect Roblox to the optimizer. At the top of the interface, search for Roblox, listed under Roblox Corporation, and simply click to add it. The game will then appear on your main dashboard. From this point, Gearup can start optimizing your connection specifically for Roblox, which is where the real improvement happens. Now we're moving to the step where you'll actually start noticing changes in your ping. Click on Launch Game. Roblox will open normally, but this time, Gearup monitors and analyzes your ping in real time. You can compare your current latency with your previous performance. If your issue was caused by inefficient routing, you should already notice smoother stability or reduced ping, and we can still optimize further. Gearup offers multiple servers, called nodes, across different regions such as Europe. Your goal is simple. Choose the node showing the lowest ping. Each node uses a different network route to Roblox, and depending on your location, some paths are significantly faster. Once connected to the best node, your traffic automatically follows the most efficient route, reducing delays and minimizing microlags during gameplay. Gearup even displays how much ping you've saved in real time. For players experiencing more than 40 milliseconds of ping, the difference is often immediate. Smoother movement, faster response time, and a much more stable gameplay experience overall. If you want to try it yourself, you'll find the Gearup link and the promo code in the description to get the discount. And if this video helped you, check out the video appearing on screen now.